Today we're bird watching from the comfort of our home, with the help of our new smart bird feeder with HD camera. It comes shipped to your door with just about everything you need to get started. You just need some bird seed and a micro SD card if you want. Inside the box, you can find your user manual and charging cable, a hanging strap, the top plate, the solar panel mounting plate, your solar panel and mount, a mounting L bracket, a hummingbird nectar tray, a bird seed tray, and then your seed storage and camera. If you pop the plug out of the camera, you'll see the power button, reset button, charging port, and micro SD card slot. To get started, give your camera the initial charge. After it's fully charged, slap in your own micro SD card, then put on the tray. You can even attach both the birdseed tray and hummingbird nectar tray at the same time if you'd like. Then, pour in your birdseed or hummingbird nectar. Put on the top plate, then find your solar panel mounting plate. On the bottom, you'll see nut locks, so grab your solar panel mount and screw it to the plate. After that's secure, slide the plate on and mount it on top of your bird feeder. Next, secure down your solar panel and plug in the power cable into the camera, and like that, we're ready to go find a spot to hang it up. Find an area within range of Wi-Fi and screw down the L mounting bracket. Then slide on your bird feeder until it snaps into place on the L bracket. Now it's time to set up the bird feeder's camera. Download the app to your phone and then click Add Device. Select Battery Camera, power on your camera, and then click Next when your camera is flashing. Select your Wi-Fi, then hold the QR code up to the camera to pair it. Then your camera connects to the Wi-Fi and pairs to the router. Now you can give your camera a name and pick the time zone and then click Done. And like that, we're ready to go spy on some birds. The app allows you to get notifications of incoming birds, and it can also save and archive bird clips to go back and review later. It has a ton of cool features like bird ID and even an alarm to scare off pesky intruders. We left the bird feeder out for a few weeks, and it was a blast seeing the different birds come and go, grabbing a bite to eat, or drinking from the bird bath. It was crazy seeing how many birds were in there at one time. We noticed a little bird battle break out over the seeds, so we added the hummingbird tray and filled it with water to let them have more space and an area to cool off. Then everyone was happy. They've been coming and going all day, and the bird feeder holds plenty of food for everyone. Not only has it been cool getting bird notifications, but the camera also works as a security camera and allows us to see when people are coming and going. We also got to see our farm cats getting a drink of water when they come up to sleep at night. We can even use the two-way mic to say hello to them. So yeah, we love our new bird feeder, and clearly, our local bird community loves it even more. So if you're looking for a cool bird feeder that allows you to spy on the birds, this one might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go see what birds came to the feeder today. See ya!